What is up, guys? Welcome back to Turbo's Garage. And today we're gonna pretty much getting this thing back on the road. You can see the thing is covered in dust. The thing looks disgusting. It's gonna be back on the road today, pretty much from the help of a lot of you guys, especially a lot of the subs. When they heard that the car pretty much blew up in the previous videos, it was just the rear end that we found out, and a lot of guys were PayPaling me, a lot of guys was helping me out, so pretty much that allowed me to pretty much source a rear end very quickly, and we're gonna get this thing back on the road. I mean, you guys must love this thing, so we're gonna try to get this thing back on the road. So pretty much all we're gonna really do today is just gonna be taking the old rear end out and putting the new one in. The new rear end that I got pretty much is out of a 98 SS. It has better gears in it. It was out of a 6-speed car. This is an auto, so I think the auto's got a longer, taller gear ratio. I have these one has 323s. The new one has 342s in it, I believe. So they're actually going to be a way better gear ratio, especially for this car. And it was a low mile 98 SS. So we're going to just throw that rear end inside this thing. It should be the exact same thing. 93 to 02, I believe, all have the same rear ends. It's just if you have the V6 versus the V8 models, they have the limited slip or they have the open diff. So pretty much we're gonna get this thing back on the road today. As you can see, this thing is fucking disgusting, as we see. And yeah, let's do it. That's one thing that I love about these WS6s, man. The rear end of them things look so good, but look how wide it is, man.
Hips.
Looking at them hips, bro. Childbearing hips. But yeah, looking at my tires, I think I kind of know why I be spinning all day. Yeah, these are pretty much shot. So yeah, I need new tires. Got some at the house. We all straight. Ooh. Let's see what this wheel feel like. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. 30 Empires, 18 by 9.5. Need to be cleaned. Tire wise, yep, I'm seeing belt. Pretty much that's why I was no traction life the whole life of this car, pretty much. Yeah. I don't know what type of tires these. I think these are like some cheapo, El Cheapo Chinese. I'm running Nankangs in the front, so I mean I can't really talk. I put Nankangs in the front of this thing. Shouldn't have. Sorry for you American diehard people running the Nankangs on the front. We just got to do it, man. But yeah, so pretty much tires off. Next thing to do, unbolt all the suspension
And like brake stuff.
Yeah, brake stuff too, because I got to swap all that over to the new rear end, like I said before. For a lot of people, I know a lot of people always ask me what type of wheels are these. These are some Verde Empire 18 by 9.5 rears, 18 by 8 fronts. These are actually like Mustang wheels. You see them a lot on like those 11 to 14 50 Mustangs. They always run these wheels, but pretty much whoever I bought this car from, he threw these on a TA. Dang, trendsetter. Now looking at the setup here, I am running drilled and slotted rotors, and I think these should be factory F-body calipers. I'm gonna have to get all this and throw it on the new rear end, which is actually an old rear end, but it's new to me. So pretty much I gotta do that as well. If I look at the bottom of here, you can see under here why the car is so low. I actually have these white lowering springs, and I believe the white ones are Strano. I know the red ones are like BMR, so I believe these are Strano lowering springs. I from what I see and whatever, like the pictures I see from other people, they're like 1.25 inch lowering springs. So they make the car look good. So I mean, usually the stance when I look at this car in pictures, the car looks pretty good. So I'm just showing you guys my F-body spec. So if you want to copy what it looks like, pretty much that's what I'm doing.
Roll it. Oh, but keep the rotors.
Yeah.
Don't jack the rotors.
The good rotors, man.
Yeah, no.
All these things right there.
What's hanging up on that side, Nigel? I don't know. Probably. Okay.
Pretty much we got the old rear end out. So this is the old, pretty much is just sand inside that thing at this point. The thing is turned into powder. So the only thing that I'm keeping off my old rear end are going to be my brakes, my brake rotors, and that's really it. Everything pretty much from this 98 SS rear end is going to just bolt right up. It's pretty simple. Now the only problem I kind of see right now is my car is like, it's a WS6 and it had like all the full packages and shit, so it had like ABS, traction control and shit, so I see all those lines hanging down, but it don't come on this rear end. So the fact is I probably got to move all that stuff over to this and see somehow that works, or delete shit. It's however that really goes. But right now we got the rear ends out, so pretty much halfway is done. We're just gonna call it a night, because I mean pretty much it's dark as shit right now. So yeah, we're just gonna call it a night and pretty much come back here in the morning and get everything done. So you'll see this thing again. 10 bolts sealed, ready to be installed. Yep. Ooh, look at them nice ass wheels back there. Look at them. Okay. Hit me up in the DMs if you want some.
Belts and straight digging into my fingers. So you know your tires need to be changed. They feel another metal.
And now you're looking pretty dark on camera, man.
Black. Can't help it.
I can't help it. I'm genetically predisposed to be dark. It is done.
Oh yeah, officially.
There we go. Sounds good. I know. I got my car back. Oh, let me open this door for Nigel. Yo, dude. Oh man, I missed this thing. Well, how many weeks has it been? 2 weeks?
Oh, it is 2 weeks.
No pops.
Nice. Dude, look, I see the whole power. Oh yeah.
Yep.
You got new gears in there too.
Yeah. Hey. Hopefully this shit work. My God, it's so glad to have my car back, dude. It's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks without my heads cam, my baby, my WS6 vert. Man, I love this thing. That's one thing, is just like I keep on, whenever shit break on this car, I'm just like, man, I don't need to sell this thing, I need to get rid of it. But whenever everything is back up and working, I'm just like, man, I love this thing, bruh. Man, one thing I gotta say is big shout out to the subs, bro. I mean, right when I broke my stuff, I didn't ask for money, I didn't ask for any help. I was just like, man, I'm just gonna do this on my own dime. And a lot of guys kicked in, a lot of guys PayPal'd me, so I'm just like, man, it's a big shout out to you guys. That's why everybody around the shop helped me out. Jay helped me out putting everything in. Lil Mike helped me, especially putting everything on the rear end as well. Especially my brother too. He always just pretty much after work kicking long hours, just trying to help me pretty much fix my shit that I always break. So I mean, big shout out to these guys, man. But oh, the TA is back, bruh. It is back. and it needs a fucking alignment. Yeah, pretty much we're doing big things. Heck yeah, I'm so glad. Oh man, this thing sounds so good.